Stop by and take a look at the 2023 Camaro. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, daytime running lamps, rear wheel drive, convertible top. Inside you'll find cruise control, cup holders, air conditioning, floor mats. Camaro was developed to be 21st century on every level, from its awe-inspiring design to its outstanding performance to its impressive efficiency. Come see the car for yourself.